Hello, students. One of you asked me to go over the Elegiac Couplet, and particularly the pentameter, because it is not completely clear how to do the scansion. So I want to just go over quickly what we talked about yesterday. Okay. And I'm placing this handout on Blackboard so that you can review it. Okay, so we talked about how this the Elegiac couplet is formed by an hexameter and a pentameter. Okay, so the hexameter made by 6 feet. The last one with only 2 syllables, and all the other ones which are dactyls, but there can be the 4 of which can be substituted by a spondy, so with a long instead of too short. Okay, the 5th is always a dactyl, so that's this is the a possibility but with all these 4, the first 4 that could be spondy. Okay. In the second, in the pentameter, you have basically 2 half hexameter but obtruncated, okay? In the sense, you have 2 dactyls, then a long one accented, then a pause that is called the caesura, okay? And then other 2 feet and only one long or short, as usual. The last one can be both. Okay. So this stop at half line. Okay. So after one accent and before the other accent, the other accented syllable, is called the caesura, and it really what it does is that it allows you to stop and breathe. Okay. So let's try to read together the first 6 lines of Amore Swan 1, and the second, the 4th, and the 6th are obviously the pentameters. Okay? So, arma gravi numero violenta que bella parabam edere materia conveniente modis. Okay? Parerat inferio versus resisse Cupido, dicitor atquunum surripuisse pedem. Let me go on. Quistibi saeve puer deditoc in carmina iuris, pieridum vates, non tua turba sumus. Okay? Obviously, I stressed a lot the syllables, the accented syllables, to make you really feel the meter, and I didn't really give a reading according to the meaning of the verses, okay, of these lines. But for the moment, let's concentrate on where the stress goes. One thing that I want you to see is this case in which you have an addition, okay? Dicitor, it should be atque unum, but since atque ends with the vowel and unum starts with the vowel, okay, you have the elision of the E, so you don't pronounce it, and you say atquunum, okay? And the U is long, okay? So this is a spondy, it's not a dactyl, okay? So let's read only the pentameters. Edere materia conveniente modis. Dicitur atquunum surripuisse pedem. Pieridum vates non tua turba sumus. Okay? Let me know if you have more questions about this.